32 people have been burnt beyond recognition in a massive fire that engulfed this gaming arena right behind me in Rajkot, Gujarat. This is a posh area of Rajkot, and the gaming zone was massively popular among children in this area who would come here to play various indoor games like bowling, like car racing, and if there's even a go-kart track that you can see behind me. This place was functioning, senior police officers have confirmed to the print, without a no objection certificate from the fire department. The place had a lot of foam seats, which is a very inflammable material, because of which the fire, all hell broke loose when fire engulfed this area, which is believed to have been started by a welding job. There are also rumors that because of this go-kart area, petrol and diesel cans were located near the gaming zone, which led to the fire spread so massively and so quickly and so rapidly. However, this has still not been confirmed by the district administration or police officials. Even more than 24 hours after the incident, remains of body parts can be recovered from the site. So far, 6 people have been identified and the official death toll stands at 32. Police officials told us that bodies are burnt so badly that even DNA testing failed for at least 6 to 7 people and tests had to be redone. Dead bodies are currently in the mortuary of the civil hospital as well as AIIMS in Rajkot. 3 to 4 people have survived who are currently admitted in a nearby hospital. We are at AIIMS Rajkot, where bodies of some of the victims who have lost their lives to the fire tragedy that engulfed the TRP gaming zone here are being kept. A forensic team from Gandhinagar is also at the hospital to collect DNAs. There is a lot of anxiety among family members who have lost their relatives to the fire tragedy because they have not been handed over the bodies yet, for the simple reason that the bodies have been burnt beyond recognition at TRP gaming zone. The place, the police has confirmed, had been functioning without a no objection certificate from the fire department. कल जब यहाँ आग लगी तो आपको क्या
आग लगी तब मेरे को नहीं पता था, लेकिन जब मैं घर में, वो बहुत धूप थी ना, तो इसीलिए मेरी स्किन की तकलीफ से तो मैं बाहर नहीं निकलता था। तो जब मैं 5 बजे बाहर निकला ना, तो मैंने ये ऊपर धुआं बहुत देखा। जब मैंने बाहर आके देखा बहुत धुआं था, तो सब मैंने दिखाया, मैंने इतना धुआं कहाँ से। ये देखने के लिए मैं सब अपने है ना टेरेस के ऊपर गया, सीढ़ी रूम के ऊपर, वहाँ ये मोबाइल लेके मैंने ये वीडियो बनाया, ये धुआं आया कहाँ से। तो मेरे घर पे जो पार्लर चालू, वहाँ से एक दीदी आया था, उसने बताया कि ये मैं TRP जोन के बाजू में रहती हूँ और ये आग है ना TRP जोन में लगी होगी।
We met family members of the victims who were bitterly crying, waiting for DNA results. One of the people who did not agree to speak to us on camera was Bhavani Bhai Thakkar. He has lost his brother-in-law to the tragedy. He was bitterly crying and he told us that Sunil, who was his brother-in-law, had taken his entire family of 12 people to TRP gaming zone on Friday night because he said Saturdays are not exactly the perfect days to be at the gaming zone. Thakkar told us that he had brought his 84-year-old ailing father-in-law to the district hospital last night for DNA collections and is demanding answers right now. It is extremely hot here. Temperatures are soaring past 40 degrees, and it is in this heat that the families are waiting in front of hospitals to get the bodies of their dead relatives. The death toll for now has reached 32. For The Print, this is Shubhangi Mishra reporting with Manisha Mondo from Rajkot.